Working with Arithmetic and Geometric Series. How to find the sum of the first n terms of a series. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are number series? Where do they differ from number sequences? 2. What is the Gauss method used for an arithmetic series? 3. How do we calculate the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic series without using the Gauss formula? 4. What are geometric series? Where do they differ from geometric sequences? 5. How do we calculate the sum of the first n terms in an increasing or decreasing geometric series? 6. How do we combine number sequences and series to find any missing information? 7. What are combined series? How to deal with them? 8. How do we apply number sequences and series in practice? Introduction. This tutorial focuses on number series as an extension of the number sequences concept. We will mainly discuss arithmetic and geometric series, but also some more advanced series formed by the combination of the previous shown. All new situations explained are illustrated through solved examples. That is all for introduction to working with arithmetic and geometric series. How to find the sum of the first n terms of a series. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 12.2.1, Series versus Sequences. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.